In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create daily routines in Microsoft PowerPoint. First, open PowerPoint and start with a clean slate by selecting Blank Presentation. If you're already inside the app and don't see the Start screen, you can head to File and choose New, then pick Blank Presentation. Starting from a blank file keeps things simple and focused on your routine without distractions from pre-built slides. Next, let's set up a straightforward layout. Go to the Home tab, click Layout, and choose Title and Content. This layout gives you a clear title area at the top and a content box underneath, which is perfect for listing your daily activities. Click on the title box and type Daily Routine. Keep the title short and clear so it's easy to read at a glance. If your text looks too small or large, you can adjust the font size right from the Home tab so it fits nicely on one line. Now, move down to the content box. This is where you'll list your routine activities. Type each activity on its own line to create a clean, readable list. For example, you might include wake up, breakfast, work or study, exercise, dinner, and sleep. As you type, PowerPoint will automatically create bullet points, which makes the list easy to scan. Keep your wording simple. Think of each item as a quick label rather than a full sentence. If you want to add a little visual clarity, you can include small icons or shapes next to each activity. Go to the Insert tab and choose icons for ready-made symbols, or select shapes if you prefer simple circles or squares. Place one beside each activity, keeping them consistent in size and style. Drag the corners to resize and use PowerPoint's alignment guides to keep everything neat. This step is optional, but it can make the slide more engaging and easier to follow at a glance. Finally, let's give the slide a polished look and save your work. Click the Design tab and browse the available themes. Choose a simple, readable design that doesn't overpower your list. You can customize colors if you like, but clarity is the priority. When you're happy with the look, go to File and select Save As. Pick a folder. Give the file a clear name you'll remember, and save it. That's it. Your daily routine slide is ready to use, present, or print.